Okay, so I've got this part here. Then what I do here is simply remove this and set it aside. Let me show you what's on the inside here. Now I've got to get the closer out. So what I'm going to do here is the same thing. Now I'm going to remove the closer part, and this is again 2 screws holding this in. So I'm just going to unscrew here, unscrew here. Remember how this is going. So the flat side is on the inside to me. So when I replace this part again, I'm going to do the same thing, put that back in the same way there. Okay, so I've oriented the opening and closing with the door handles going into the door. So they head out this way toward me. So I've got to make sure when you set this up, the orientation, that you've got the key lock on the outside, not vice versa. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to take this apart, just like so.